Hey folks, today I'm going to install some Nerf bars on a S900 2015 Razor, and these here Nerf bars are made by UTV Inc. And what I really like about these Nerf bars is that they have 3 welded standoffs that you can put into the frame's holes. They have 3 points on the frames that you can put them in, and it also has the 3 holes on the same brackets for the bolt system as well. So let's go ahead and get to work and put it on. You're going to need a T40 bit, Torx bit. You don't want to tighten it, you just kind of want to get the screws on for now. Push it in there real good, make sure you get it in there. I'm going to tighten each bolt incrementally, go from a little bit at a time so that the Nerf bar hits flush more or less at the same time. And if you want, you could put some washers behind those bolts if you get a color like this. I think that might help a little bit with not marring up the paint job, but you're going to mar it up anyway, so when you're out there riding. So it's up to you. Okay. And anytime you use one of these, you want to be very careful because you can strip the bolt. You want to make sure that the bolt's in there before you use one of these, or not use them at all. This is just what I prefer to do. See, I'm not putting too much torque on it. Okay, I'll tighten it a little bit more later, but for right now, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.